This quick guide is mainly about how to recover deleted photos from iPhone without computer in several proven ways. Just watch on, and it will not disappoint you. Part 1. Recover deleted photos from iPhone without computer via Photos app. Open your iPhone's Photos app and tap Albums. Locate and choose the recently deleted album in the list. Find your deleted images from this album. Click Recover to restore deleted photos without a computer. Part 2. Retrieve deleted photos from iPhone without computer via iCloud. Open iPhone Settings, General Reset. Erase all content in Settings. iPhone Settings, General Reset. Erase all double quotes ... apps and data. Pick Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in. Choose Backup with Deleted. Part 3. Recover deleted pictures from iPhone without computer with Google Photos. On your iPhone, run the Google Photos app. Go to the menu at the top left and select the Trash tab. Press and hold while all the pictures you want to recover. Select Restore from the menu at the bottom. Part 4. Recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. Well, can I rescue lost photos from my iPhone in the absence of a backup? That's pretty simple as long as you get a program like iPhone Data Recovery. How to recover deleted photos from iPhone without a backup via iPhone Data Recovery. Step 1. Get into the Recover from iOS device mode. Step 2. Preview and select your lost pictures. Step 3. Recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup.